Hello everyone. Let's see how we can use combination of variants to create multiple list of products. Let's say I sell a t-shirt in three different colors and every color has three different sizes. So how we can configure these kind of products? Let's go to add product, provide code, let's say t-shirt. I'll give a round neck t-shirt. Generate beautiful description using AI. Provide some base price, let's say 300, and one default image as black. Now, sorry, it's a blue. So I'll add image of black. Now it has three different colors, which is black, blue, and green. And every uh, color has sizes. So three sizes. So add them. Now I got color and size. So when I click on generate, it creates all possible combinations like t-shirt black small, blue small, likewise. So we can change the name and code over here. Let's consider my all small size t-shirts cost me 300 rupees. Medium size cost me 350 rupees. So let's modify our all medium size t-shirt as 350 rupees and large size t-shirt as let's say 400 rupees. Plus I can change the images. Now this is a black, so here this one is a blue, so I'll attach blue t-shirt images and green t-shirt images. Now I'll set black small t-shirt as my default t-shirt size or default product, so I'll save this. Now if you can see, I have nine different variants of the t-shirts. So if I go in the view option, it shows me all the variants. Now let's go to web store and see how our customer will see this. So on the web store, you can see the black small t-shirt is by default shown. But when I click on this product, it shows me all possible combinations. So when I select blue, it shows so they shows correct image and pricing. Thank you.